So we're here at the Strawberry Fest, and it is in Port St Lucie. Let's see what's going on. So what we have here is pretty much a whole host of vendors, music playing in the background, and food trucks. A little bit later on, I'm gonna be checking out the food trucks. But for now, I'm just, you know, strolling. The sun is a little bit ripe, but we're strolling and seeing what is happening out there. The wife is gone to check out Bamboo Sheet. Yeah, I don't know why she won't go up on Bamboo Sheet. But yeah. Strawberry Fest 2024. Name is the cow.
Good job, Brian. High five.
This was good. I like this.
He might look for something to eat. Josh, you scared? You scared, Josh. You so scared. Touch him. You know, you know no sense, right? Where you say my thing them put them, the stamp. My thing stamp.
Rubbing his legs.
Well, something I'm touching.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So this was one of the more interesting stalls that we stopped by. It is a beautiful lady and her daughter, and they had homemade wine. I think it's called Brookstone Wines. Yes.
We go almost everywhere to go. Like, when is it? April, when is our next one? April 13th and 14th.
I make sure to feature you guys, all right? I like seeing when we're making local stuff and not, you know, big box stuff.
Thank you, guys. How y'all doing?
Kettle corn, yep. Kettle corn, yep. We are here, and there you see it being done, authentic. They got pickled eggs and everything here at the Strawberry.
What?
What's this one here with the pink?
That's strawberry.
Strawberry kettle
We do
corn.
have a caramel. I'm out of it right now, but we'll be making more.
Awesome.
Can I help you, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm just looking at your wares, man. You got some great pickles here.
Thank you.
And you're local, right?
Yeah, we're just on the other side of our town, National Park.
Awesome, 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 awesome. And is there a number? Is there an information we can?
Yeah, right here. Right on.
Thank you so much. That's okay. You can keep that one. That's mine. All right. It's beerBottomBoys@gmail.com for some great pickle. I'm on YouTube, so moonshine jelly. That one is crazy. So the rain came down while we were festiving at the festival. Yeah. Interesting mix of business places and so, see, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Interesting mix of business places in and around the place. And definitely we want to check them out and look on some of them have. Yeah. So I think says. How you liking it so far, babes?
This is quite interesting, you know. It's awesome to see the small businesses and how they, you know, are stepping out, showcasing their different items, strawberry based and non-strawberry based. But durian.
Yep. Awesome. How you feel about this festival?
Good.
What did you
Buy
get?
food.
What did you get?
Yeah, food spinner for somebody.
A spinner.
For stress.
Naturally, it helps to cleanse and moisturize those issues. So.
Awesome.
And we milk our own goats. He's already for all the milk for the soaps.
Awesome.
Yeah.
We'll definitely be in touch.
I have them open if you guys want to flip through them.
Oh, so it could be a game.
It could be.
It could be.
It helps you to plan instead of just making
Give me 1 minute before you take. You're not gonna like it. And I want you to say, "Oh my God, I love it."
So a big shower rain came down and everything almost shut down. But we're trying to find food. It's just hard because everything shut down because of the rain. So let's see what we can find. So we're getting chew boba drinks, chew.
Yes, please.
And they have all these flavors. So the Strawberry Festival was almost a bust, guys. A little bit of rain and a little bit of, you know, I don't know. I know our thing. You know, the music was even like American rock and roll type of vibe. Most of the vendors were little exotic things that you don't really know say you need until you see it. You know them type of something there? Right, babes? Some little stuff where, you know. We did have good conversations with a couple of the vendors. Yes, the wine lady. We did talk to her and sample a little bit of what she had to offer. The soap, yeah, Natural Blessings. That was what it's called, Natural Blessings. The soap was great. We smelt it. We got a little bit of sample of what they had. We got some boba teas. All of the food was done because the rain came down, the man locked down the whole of the food. So Joshua never get him turkey wing. We never get nothing. Gator bites, nothing what we really and truly was interested in, we never get. But it's a 2-day event, and so tomorrow should be better. Well, Sunday should be better. The second day. Overall, what's your take on the Strawberry Festival, babes? Aside from, you know, all that I mentioned before.
Aside from what you mentioned before, I mean, I didn't know what to expect, but for the most part, like I say, it's not you know, stuff that you would generally go to buy.
Mm-hmm.
But
You know them
there were a
stuff
couple
there?
interesting stalls, a couple interesting vendors,
Mm-hmm.
but for the most part,
Not our thing. What is interesting is some of the stuff, when you see it, you say, wow, it's so nice, but you know, you have no business about that. It have nothing to do with you, your culture, your home, nothing. It just look nice when you see it.
I
You
thought
know?
it was gonna be a festival where you have a whole bunch of different
Strawberry
food
based,
related
yeah.
strawberry items, but nothing like that.
One stall with strawberry, that's it. And the next stall I sell strawberry shortcake, that's it. Them and the popcorn man, they do strawberry kettle corn. That was it. Josh, what do you think about this whole event?
I think it was alright.
Not
Came for food.
and we never get no food. So we have to go hustle food now. That's it. Yeah. We have to go hustle food.
But I bought this.
So once again, guys, we're out and about. We're trying to do a thing. Yeah, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Yardie TV and of course the Hope Zone LLC on YouTube. And that is it. Yeah, Strawberry Festival 2024. Peace in the Middle East. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about Yardie TV. We are out here and we're doing it. Remember.